Trying to get to the Mega Million ticket. First, I'm getting some fortune cookies. The first one says, "You are odd." Not helping. Pick another one. This one says, "You are desperate to find your goal." Doubters. Let me go find my ticket. Let's see my numbers. 5. No. 10. Nope. 9. Nope. 9. Nope. 8. Nope. Six, 1, 4. 6, 1, 4. Don't have it. Fortunes are right.